Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a review on Arm & Hammer White Advanced Toothpaste. Yes, so one of the reasons why I decided to buy this toothpaste is because I am a coffee drinker, and the coffee actually tends to leave stains on my teeth. So I wanted something that actually can remove the stains and prevent it from setting in. So this toothpaste is very good for that. It is also has 3 times the plaque fighting power, so you're definitely gonna leave your teeth feeling nice and fresh. And another thing that I definitely like is that it is an anti-cavity fluoride tooth. So basically it's gonna help to prevent cavities in your teeth, and also it's gonna build some strong protection against sensitive teeth. You know, like when you drink cold water or something hot or something sweet, your teeth start to hurt a little bit. So this toothpaste is going to go ahead and build a protection against that over time. And I just want to show you how it actually looks. Nice and white here, white, and it has like a strong minty taste. So it's definitely going to leave a nice refreshing feeling in your mouth. So I'm just going to go ahead and demonstrate how I brush my teeth using it. So let's get right into that part of the review. Alright, so I have my toothbrush in front of me. I already got some water on it. I'm just going to go ahead and put a little bit on top of it, just like this. Okay. And just another thing I like to mention is that it's always good to floss after you brush your teeth. And you want to brush your teeth twice a day. So I'm just going to go ahead and Alright everyone, so as you can see, getting there, that's the tooth that I'm working on. This is definitely a toothpaste that I highly recommend. It comes in a pack of 2. And first of all, like I said, that it protects against plaque. It is a defense against stain. It helps to remove them. It also protects against gingivitis. And it's just a wonderful, minty, tasty toothpaste that I highly recommend. And I want to say thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next review.